Hi everyone, my name's Kyle and I just launched my product called Baryon. So Baryon is a music visualizer that makes sound visible based on cymatics in 3 dimensions. So cymatics is the science of sound made visible. So there are actual patterns and geometry that we can reveal from sound. So that's what you're seeing right now on the screen. As I'm talking, it's picking up the different frequencies and visualizing what that looks like. This project started because I wanted a way to create art by playing guitar. I thought it'd be cool if I could put the music that I'm playing through a program and then create art through that and show what that would look like. So that's how this project started. And now I'm realizing that I can let other artists use it and other creatives or content creators. And now we can reveal what sound looks like. So I have my guitar here and I'm just gonna play some chords and you'll be able to see that it's also visualizing that. So I hope everyone enjoyed that demo. I'm now working on improving the visualizer, the overall quality, and the architecture, along with bringing it to AR and VR, which I think would be really cool. And hopefully soon we'll be seeing it in live events and clubs and things like that. I think there's a lot of potential there. So yeah, make sure to follow our socials to keep up to date with new developments. And our plugin for media servers and professional visual software tools is coming soon. So yeah, stay tuned. See ya.